Barry and I are working off-site today, and we're working on the Beerbot app for Just Digital People, and we've got to a stage now where we've got a set up with an IDE called Cloud9, which is an online IDE, and we're all programming on the same shared workspace. So it makes it easy for when we're ready to build. There's no merge conflicts or anything like that when we're pushing different versions of the app. So it's pretty good. So I'll just get you to run through what you're up to at the moment, Barry.
Okay, yep. So I've just been working on the main page of the app where the candidate will get their interview list, and they'll get the details like address, location, and time of their next interview. So I've just been working through how to do that in Ionic, and then to also add in the logos that we've got on that page for ordering a drink and the clickable links and that sort of thing. So that's where I'm at. What about you?
Okay, cool. So I'm working on the social media logins. So when the app starts up, the user will be required to log in via a social media network. And we've got about 6 different logins, 3 of which I've got working at this stage, and I've just got 3 to go. So we're working in, Ionic is based on AngularJS, which is something new to all of us. So we've got a little bit of working out to do on how that works, and we've made some progress. We're having a meeting on Tuesday with Chris Briggs, who's going to run through our first sprint with us, and we're getting a bit of a head start on the first sprint. So I guess it's learning the framework and the language a little bit. But we're hoping we can use what we've done when we start the app. So, yeah, that's pretty much what I've been up to.
And so how many logins have you got functioning?
So I've got 3 out of 6. I've got LinkedIn working, I've got Facebook working, and I've just today got Google working not long ago. So we're able to emulate the app as well. So we're successfully building to Android on Cloud9 at the moment, which required the installing of an Android software development kit onto the cloud-based service. So I'm actually getting Android APK files built, which I can run on an emulator, and we're able to emulate in an Android environment what Barry and I have done so far, and it's working quite well.
Did you manage to fix that, that bit of script that was coming up on the login?
Yeah,
I think it was the LinkedIn login.
Yeah, when you do a social media login with Cordova OAuth, you have to set a callback server, which is where the social media site will send you after you've done the login. So it needs to know where to refer you to after you've logged in. And unfortunately for LinkedIn, you can't use localhost as a callback server anymore. So I've got the Just Digital People website set as the callback, which doesn't actually show up when you get referred from the LinkedIn login, but it just needs a valid live website to know that it's sending you to. And then in the app, we tell it to go to the page that we want it to go to. So that's all functioning well now.
Cool. Anything else?
It's been good learning what we've done so far. We've had to learn it pretty quickly, and hopefully we'll be on top of it all for when we start the business end of it. We're going to have to get push notifications working because we're trying to do all this without the use of a server. But I'm pretty confident that we'll be able to get a decent app working, and especially when David comes back on board and there's 3 of us working on it, we should be able to power through it pretty quickly.
Yep. Right, man. Well, I'll see you Tuesday.
No worries, Barry. I'll see you Tuesday.
Okay, see you. Bye.
See ya.